Nestled within the undulating dunes and sun-baked plains of Punjab's Thal Desert lies Notak, a modest village untouched by time. Far from bustling cities, Notak offers a glimpse into a world where life is lived simply, in harmony with nature. The village is a world away from the familiar landscapes of Punjab with its lush green fields and bustling cities. Here the land stretches out in all its raw and untamed beauty, a tapestry of sand dunes, thorny shrubs and hardy trees. The silence is broken only by the whisper of the wind, carrying the scent of the desert and the faint calls of unseen creatures. Life continues as it has for generations, shaped by the unforgiving yet life-giving desert. The villagers are a hardy and hospitable people, their lives inextricably linked to the land and its rhythms. For those seeking an authentic and off-the-beaten-path experience, Notak is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. The Thal Desert, sprawling across Punjab, is a world of stark contrasts, where life clings tenaciously to the edges of existence. Amidst the harsh, arid conditions, a surprising array of flora and fauna have adapted to survive. It is a land of vast, undulating sand dunes, sculpted by the wind into ever-shifting patterns. These dunes create a mesmerizing landscape that is constantly in motion. Despite its arid nature, the Thal Desert possesses a stark beauty that is both captivating and awe-inspiring. The golden hues of the sand at sunset paint a picture of serene desolation. The vastness of the landscape, stretching out to meet the horizon in all its desolate glory, evokes a sense of awe and solitude. It is a place where one can truly feel the immensity of nature. The silence, broken only by the whisper of the wind and the occasional cry of a bird, is profound and unsettling. This quietude offers a stark contrast to the bustling life found elsewhere. Scattered throughout the desert are depressions, remnants of ancient riverbeds, where the earth retains moisture for longer periods. These pockets of life are crucial for the survival of many species. These depressions, known locally as dahars, support a surprising variety of vegetation, providing sustenance to both wild animals and livestock. The dahars are vital oases in this otherwise harsh environment. The Thal Desert is a testament to the resilience of nature and a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life in even the most challenging environments. It is a place where the struggle for survival is evident, yet life finds a way to thrive. The flora and fauna of Notak and the surrounding Thal Desert are a testament to nature's remarkable ability to adapt and thrive in even the harshest environments. Dominating the landscape are hardy shrubs like the auk, with its striking white flowers, and the jand, its deep roots tapping into the earth's hidden moisture. These plants, along with various species of acacia, form the backbone of the desert ecosystem, providing shelter and sustenance to a variety of creatures. Gazelles, with their elegant gait and keen senses, roam the sandy plains, while the elusive desert fox seeks refuge in the shade of rocks and shrubs. Birds of prey, like the majestic lagger falcon, soar high above, their sharp eyes scanning the landscape for the slightest movement. The arrival of the monsoon season transforms this seemingly barren landscape. Dormant seeds burst into life, carpeting the desert floor with a fleeting display of colorful wildflowers. The desert, briefly awakened from its slumber, teems with activity. Water, the elixir of life, is a precious and scarce commodity in the arid expanse of the Thal Desert. This vast, sun-baked land stretches as far as the eye can see, with its sparse vegetation struggling to survive in the harsh conditions. The few water bodies that exist near Notak, primarily seasonal streams and man-made ponds, are lifelines for the local ecosystem. These water sources are crucial, providing much-needed hydration to both flora and fauna in the region. These water bodies, often reduced to mere trickles during the dry season, attract a variety of animals seeking respite from the scorching sun. From small mammals to larger herbivores, the presence of water is a beacon of hope in an otherwise unforgiving environment. Birds, their vibrant plumage a stark contrast to the muted tones of the desert, gather around these oases, their calls filling the air with a welcome chorus. These avian visitors play a crucial role in the ecosystem, aiding in seed dispersal and pollination. For the people of Notak, these water bodies are not just sources of life, but also integral to their livelihoods. They rely on these precious resources for drinking, cooking and irrigation, making every drop count in their daily lives. Livestock, a vital part of their subsistence, rely on these water sources. The health and productivity of their animals are directly tied to the availability of water, which in turn affects the community's food security and economic stability. Despite their importance, these water bodies face increasing pressure from both human activities and the changing climate. Overuse, pollution, and the relentless advance of desertification threaten to deplete these critical resources. The villagers of Notak, like many desert communities around the world, are on the front lines of climate change, grappling with its very real consequences. They are adapting to these challenges with resilience and ingenuity, finding new ways to conserve water and sustain their way of life. Section 5, Beyond Notak, Natural Wonders Await. Venturing beyond the outskirts of Notak, the intrepid traveller is rewarded with a wealth of natural wonders that highlight the unique beauty and ecological diversity of the Thal Desert region. Among these, Lal Suhanra National Park and the majestic Jhelum River stand out as must-see destinations. Lal Suhanra National Park, a short distance from Notak, is a sprawling sanctuary of over 16,000 hectares. A UNESCO biosphere reserve, the park is a haven for a remarkable array of biodiversity. Lucky visitors might spot the elusive black buck, their spiraled horns a testament to the park's conservation efforts. The mighty Jhelum River, a historic waterway flowing through the heart of Punjab, carves its way through the desert landscape. Its banks, lined with reeds and willow trees, offer sanctuary to a myriad of bird species, making it a paradise for birdwatchers. For the adventure seeker, the Thal Desert offers a unique and exhilarating experience, off-roading through its challenging terrain. Section 6, Unveiling Notak Activities for the Adventurous Soul. Beyond its natural attractions, Notak offers a wealth of experiences for the adventurous traveller, seeking an authentic encounter with rural Pakistani culture and the stark beauty of the Thal Desert. A visit to Notak is incomplete without experiencing the warmth and hospitality of its people. Spend an afternoon sipping fragrant chai with the locals, listening to their stories passed down through generations. For those seeking a deeper cultural immersion, participating in local activities offers a unique perspective. Learn the art of weaving intricate patterns on a handloom, a skill passed down through generations of women. Witness the age-old techniques of pottery, where skilled artisans mold clay into beautiful and functional objects. Embark on a camel safari, traversing the undulating sand dunes as the sun casts long shadows across the landscape. As the stars blanket the night sky, camp under the vast expanse, the Milky Way a breathtaking spectacle. Section 7, Challenges on the Path Less Travelled. While Notak and the surrounding Thal Desert offer a unique and rewarding travel experience, it's important to acknowledge the challenges that come with venturing off the beaten path. The region's infrastructure, while slowly improving, remains underdeveloped compared to more established tourist destinations. Basic amenities like accommodation and transportation options are limited, requiring travelers to be adaptable and resourceful. The Thal Desert, like many fragile ecosystems around the world, faces environmental challenges. Desertification, exacerbated by climate change, poses a significant threat, impacting both the local ecosystem and the livelihoods of the people who depend on it. Responsible tourism plays a crucial role in mitigating these challenges. By traveling responsibly, visitors can ensure that Notak and the Thal Desert's unique beauty can be enjoyed by generations to come. Section 8, Notak, an authentic escape. In a world increasingly dominated by mass tourism and homogenized experiences, Notak offers a refreshing alternative, an authentic escape into a world untouched by the relentless pace of modern life. Here, the rhythms of daily existence are dictated by the natural world, not by the artificial constructs of modern society. It is a destination that calls to those seeking solitude, adventure, and a genuine connection with both nature and a different way of life. The vast expanses of the Thal Desert and the serene rural landscapes offer a sanctuary for the soul, a place where one can truly disconnect and find peace. The journey to Notak is not for everyone. It is a path less traveled, requiring determination and a spirit of adventure. The winding roads and isolated paths are a test of one's resolve, but they also promise unparalleled rewards. It requires a willingness to embrace the unfamiliar, to adapt to a slower pace of life, and to appreciate the beauty found in simplicity. The villagers, with their warm hospitality and traditional ways, offer a glimpse into a life that is both humble and rich in its own unique way. Those who dare to venture off the beaten path will be rewarded with an experience that is both humbling and enriching. The untouched natural beauty of Notak, with its breathtaking sunsets and tranquil desert landscapes, leaves an indelible mark on the heart. The silence of the desert, broken only by the whisper of the wind, has a way of quieting the noise of everyday life. It is in this profound silence that one can truly hear the whispers of their own soul, finding clarity and purpose. Notak is a reminder that beauty can be found in unexpected places, that resilience thrives in the face of adversity, and that sometimes the most rewarding journeys are those that take us far from the familiar. It is a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously, offering a timeless escape from the chaos of modern life.